Hello, New Venture Lab. This is the assignment walkthrough for assignment number 14, competitor analysis, that is existing and alternative solutions. So I really love this assignment. I really think that this assignment is like bread and butter of bringing about a new solution. Basically, two things I'm going to start with here. And first of all is that if this problem that it is that you're exploring actually exists, then people are currently mitigating or potentially even solving that problem with existing solutions. It's just like a matter of fact kind of thing. They must be doing something if it actually is a problem that they would ultimately pay you for, okay, to pay you to solve. Okay. The second thing is if it is genuinely a big enough of a problem, then people have talked about it online. In this new 2026, everything's online. People are going to comments, to threads, and or blogs, whatever it might be. But people are posting about it, talking about it. And I'll share all those different examples of where you might find this information. But what we're going to do is this: we're going to pick 6 different existing solutions, and then we're going to actually look for verifiable evidence that those existing solutions exist, that people actually use them. So, for example, if I am going to do, let's just say, auto detailing, that's the example I'll use in a second. There are lots of auto detailers out there, right? So I wouldn't just say here's these 6. I would say here's these 6, and then here's either links to their website. Links to their website would be perfect, or screenshots of reviews of them, and that's kind of where we're really going. Now, I'll say this, and this is very important. If it is that you don't make it to 6, you need to find 6 existing solutions, and then we're gonna do 4 reasons why people like each solution, and 4 reasons why people dislike each solution. Now, I'll say now in this video that if it is that you aren't able to get to 4 for each solution, that's okay. The thought is to do thorough research here, okay? So if for solution number 3, you have 3 or 4 reasons why people like the solution, and you only have 1 or 2 reasons why people dislike the solution, because that's all you could find, fine. As long as it looks like it is that you did thorough research, that's cool. The idea is while it is that you're doing this research, you're going to have so many different thoughts and so many different things oh my God, people really like that. My solution is going to have that, right? Or people really everyone hates this component, so my solution is not going to have that component. So again, if it is a big enough of a problem, people are speaking about it online, and if it's a big enough of a problem, people are currently doing something to mitigate that problem. So therefore, we should be able to do this. So I will share an example, but how we do it is starting problem statement, existing solutions. So identify at least 6 different solutions that people are currently using to address the problem. Again, someone somewhere must explicitly state that they use the solution. So again, here's the solution number 1, and then maybe here's the link to the website of the business that is offering that solution, or maybe here's a screenshot of a conversation of people using this solution. It may or may not be that there's a business around each solution, right? So it could be that here's a business that provides a solution here, and then here's for example, auto detailing. It could be okay, this person literally just cleans their car themselves and does it themselves, and that's what they're talking about, so that's an existing solution. Or they go to this other shop, right? And then we can kind of start to see what are the things that people like about cleaning the car themselves, what are the things they dislike, what are the things that people like about this auto detailer, what do they dislike, right? Okay, and again, if you can't quite get to 4 on each if you can't get to 4 on the reasons why people like each solution, and you can't get to 4 on the reasons why people dislike each solution, that's fine. We just got to get as much as we can, so that we did diligent research, and ultimately so we can do good bring about the best possible, most optimal solution. At the end of the day, you're going to have all these things that people like about each solution, and all of these things that people dislike about the solutions. So then you can see how it is that now this is going to better shape your solution, where it is that you have all of this, all the things that people like and all the things that people dislike, so that you know what to include and what not to include. Okay. Okay. Right here, it's provide verifiable evidence, screenshot links. Acceptable evidence includes screenshots, videos, recordings, emails, text, reviews, links, or public posts. And you can see here's examples of all different kinds of places where you can find these kind of posts. But I'll pull over this example really quick. by the way, we do this in the Runway program. Oh no, hold on, sorry. Here we go. Do this, and then you just lost me for a second, but that's okay. So, starting problem statement. Vehicle owners who rely on their cars for daily transportation experience ongoing deterioration in cleanliness and surface condition due to routine use and environmental exposure. You can pause and read the rest of that if you want to, but you can see how he did a solution one: exquisite detailing, mobile audit detailing, evidence of use. Customer repeatedly states long-term trust in exquisite detailing through his public reviews. One customer writes, "Kyle did an amazing job detailing our car last week." And then, if I click this link, it will take me, look, to a Google review. Kyle did an amazing job detailing a car last week. So pretty good. Similarly, see, then he did why people use this solution, high quality, detail oriented. Car looks great, like it came off the showroom floor. If I click, okay, that one went away. Hold on, it was working earlier. I literally just tried this link. All right, so notice I will be clicking your links, and so we want to make sure that they are working. Let's see if it was this one. Yeah, so exquisite detailing, this one works, and it's a link to these reviews. Okay. Point is that I also want to share this is like, notice he did a rock star job, like awesome, but he has 4 reasons why people like this one. Okay, and he only had one solution why people dislike this one, and that's okay. I'd rather have it be genuine, like you actually have verifiable evidence, than just be like assuming. Okay, the idea is, if I just went to a judge in a court of law and I was like, so and so said such and such, the judge would be like, okay, that's hearsay. Come back and provide verifiable evidence. Okay. So that's the idea here, and it's not just for like the sake of the assignment. None of the assignments are just for the sake of the assignment. It's all to benefit you and your entrepreneurial venture, and you need to know this stuff. This is the stuff you need to know. You need to know what people are saying about the problem it is that you're working to solve. Okay, so you can see that example there, pretty good one. And let's see. Let me get this set back up. Hold on. So that is the example. That is what the assignment is. You can definitely want to watch this video in order to have that. I would put his assignment. I would put it in the resources, but just for his own like privacy, I'll probably not. But you just saw it, so you can see the whole thing, which is pretty good. Okay, I did check with this student before sharing, and he said it was definitely okay. But yeah, so good. Yeah, so again, just like that, 6 reasons why people like, 6 solutions, existing solutions, 4 reasons why people like, 4 reasons why people dislike each one, and then verifiable evidence for the existence of each solution, and for each reason why people like, and each reason why people dislike. Okay, and then at the end, again, you're gonna at the end have this long list of all the reasons why people like, and all the things that people like, and all the things that people dislike about each of the existing solutions, which is so important. You have to know that in order to bring about your own solution. So reach out if you have any questions. I am here and happy to help. And yeah, should be a good week. So all right, I'll see you guys. Bye.